Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing well. So first of all, I am very sorry for yesterday because I am not able to upload the video because I am not at my home. I am traveling. Okay, so that's why. So I will update that video whenever that questions come. Okay, so let's start with today's question. And Today's question is lead code number 740 delete and earn. It is a medium level question. Okay, and the question is like something you are given an array nums and you will have to maximize some points. Okay, now how you have you have to take the points, like you can pick up any element. Okay, and you have to skip its one plus one element and minus one element. Like if your current element is 3, okay, if you pick 3, then you have to skip 3 minus 1 2 so 2, and you have to also skip 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so and you have to do these operations and you have to maximize your points. Okay, so it is very obvious, it is a recursion based problem. Okay, you need to check every possibilities. So here you can get some recurrence relation, so you have to do uh, like you can see that it is a DP type question. Okay, if you turn some knapsack type question, it is like similar. Okay, the code is quite easy also. I will show you and I will explain you that also. Okay, so first of all, if you see this question. Okay, so what she do, she first pick this okay, if she pick 2, then she need to skip 3. Okay, because 1 2 plus 1 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1, so 1 is not present, so she will skip, you can skip it. Okay, then after that you can pick the 4, so it will be 4 plus 2 6. Okay, the number you are picking, you have to add all them. Okay, now if you see this example, here also you have to pick 2 and okay, I think if you pick 2, okay, so it is 2 and 2, you can take all the similar elements, so we can pick this 2 element, so it is 4, and you have to skip 3, and again you take 4, so it will be 8. But if you take this 3 times 3, then it will be 9. So the answer is this is greater, so we'll take this one. Okay, so here you can find out that you have to check all the possibility. Okay, get some hint. Now the constant are like num length can go up to 2 into 10 to the power 4, and then nums I can go up to from 1 to 10 to the power 4. Okay, it is not an issue, you will handle it. Now if we do only recursion with this much constant, it will surely give you a TLE. So you are here, by seeing the constant also, you can like assume that you need to do a DP also. Okay, so I hope you understand this part. Let me take an example. Let us take this second example. Okay, like I think I have told you the necessary things. Okay, but still I will provide you some example. Let's say take it a long way. It's 5 5. Okay, let's say I have this example. Okay, so first of all, uh, we have to check every possibility. So first I try to take this one. Okay, 2. So it is 2 plus 2, it is 4. 2 plus 2 I can take. We need to skip 3 3 3, so I will skip this one. Then we can take 4 and 4. Okay, 4 plus 4. And I again skip 5 and 5 and 3 and 3. But here you can see that if I take this one 2, then I skip this front part. Okay, it's plus 1. And if I take this 4, then I have to skip its means front one. Okay, but here in the question, there can be it is given that you have to also take minus one part, but you need not to handle that one, because when you are going to take 4, you have already skipped this all numbers now. When you are taking 2, you have skipped that one. Okay, so you only need to handle this part only. Okay, nums I plus 1 part. Okay, for example, like if it is like 2 2 3 3. Okay, then it is 4. Let's say here it is 5. Okay, then here it is 6. Then for this example, you have take this 2. Now you will skip 2 plus 1 means this, both 3 we will skip. And now you are come to 5. Okay, then you have to take 5 minus 1, which is 4. Okay, and you can take 5 plus 1, which is 6. So you need to skip 4 and 6. So I skip the 6 one. Now the 4 is not present here. Okay, if it is present here, then we have to take that 4 after the 2. So here it is the first observation, like you need to only handle this part, nums I plus 1 part, and automatically nums I minus 1 part will be get handled. Okay, this is the tip here, otherwise you can get confused like how we handle both these operations. Okay, so this is the main tip for the question, main trick. Okay, so let's continue with our this first example. Then it is 4 4. Okay, so it will be 2 plus 2 4 4 8 12. Okay, now again I will check the second possibility. We take the 3 3 and 3 plus 5 plus 5. Okay, so you can clearly see that it will be greater. Okay, it is 9 9 plus 10, it is 19, which is greater, so our final answer is 19. Okay, I hope you understand this part. Okay, here the main trick is this one, like you need not to handle this one. Okay, if you try to handle this one, then you may mm, get some blunder. Okay, you may not able to solve the question. Okay, so let's go through our code. Ignore this DP codes. Okay, first of all see our recursive code. Then these three steps are for memorization. Okay, you need not to do this now. And this part also till that. Okay, till this. Now I have sort. First of all, I need to sort because as you can see here, we need our greater element always. So we need to sort the array. So I have sorted this. Otherwise, you cannot find element. Okay, like which element you have to take, or and which element you already taken. You cannot handle that. So you have to sort it. Okay. After that, I call the solve function. I have passed the array and vector, and I just take out a position. Initial position is 0, and I just checking if my pose is equals to question, return 0, simple base case. And I have check out the my current value, like which is like for this part it is 2. Okay, so I have stored it here. I have stored the position, like which position we are taking, and I take a answer variable. Now I iterate through all the similar element, like 2 here, 2 is present 2 times, so I have to take it 2 times now. I have done the same thing here. Okay, you can see this. Okay, and now I am pointing the idx. Okay, uh, forward. Then I add all them into my answer, and then this is the skip part where we need to skip our plus one elements. Like you can see here, it is curvel plus one. So when we take in two, we just keep all the three elements, and we have start iterating from this four. Okay, so I have done the same thing here. Okay, then I call for two function. Okay, like max of, if you are taking this element 2, for this example, if initially I have taken this 2. Okay, so you need to add this element, and then you need to call from here 4. Okay, so I have passed the idx from here. Otherwise, if you are not taking this, if this possible is correct, okay, this is the our correct possibility, as we have to check all the possibility. Then this is what it is. If it is position, then it will be post plus one now. So I have done the same thing, post plus one. Okay, we just increment one positions and check every possibilities. Then I just return it. For DP, I just taken a 1D array, because here only our position is pos is varying, so we need only 1D DP. Okay, and the constant here given is, you can see here it is 2000. Okay, sorry, it is 20,000, so I have taken 20,001. Now I just mem set. Okay, I just set it to -1, and before returning I just store it inside my DP, and I just simply DP is not equals to -1, then it means we have already stored that value. Okay, already travel, so it is a recurrence relation, so I just simply return it. Okay, simple DP. So this question is basically a 0 1 knapsack type question. Okay, it's variation. So I hope you understand it, and let me submit the code. Okay, so what is, yeah. Okay, it is submitted, and I will provide this code in the description, so you can check it out there. And if you like my explanation, you can subscribe to the channel and like the video. It will motivate me. Okay, so thank you. Till then, goodbye. Keep coding. Bye.